Genital warts removal is not an easy task. HPV genital warts have been admitted as the most common and spread sexually transmitted disease. A number of infected people rise above the normal, and you should always remember that to make precautions. For every infected person, one of the most important things in their lives becomes finding a good solution for genital warts removal. There are numerous methods you can employ to get rid of genital warts. Most likely you already have heard about laser treatment as well as surgery. These are the most popular solutions. Also, these are the most recommended techniques by medical professionals. But if we go a little bit further, we can definitely find some good alternatives that are cheaper and easier accessible. The reason you should consider this kind of treatment is because these will save you tons of time and money, less hassle in other words. It's imperative that you exclude any methods in which can result in negative effects. You should use a solution that is 100% safe, but still effective and has good success rate. It's in your own interests to stay away from any medications that present a danger to your well-being, or can even cause some other problems. By the way, you really should visit your doctor before making any decisions on your own. Some people try eliminating warts by themselves. This obviously is not recommended. You should use genital warts treatment that already has proven to help people while being safe. As soon as you check out the alternatives with your medical doctor, you should ensure that you have all of the important details that may help you to come up with the right decision. In the event you would never make a visit to your doctor, which you should do, then the best thing you can do is to search for a natural alternative online. Whenever looking for the natural genital warts treatment solutions, it's very important that you put some attention to all the ingredients. Remember that you want to choose something that has all natural components. Luckily for you, there are some powerful genital wart removal solutions that you can use from home. If you want to learn more about one, go to wartremovalhelp.com. Also below this video, there might be a link to that website. I don't want to talk about it too much in this video, but I consider that it can remove your genital warts just as fast, if not faster, as the medical alternatives. And the beauty of it is it's a fraction of the cost.